Hey, 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 how are you, my favorite entrepreneurs? Are your bellies all full? Are you relaxed? Are you out shopping today? What are you doing today? It is Black Friday. Woo, woo, woo. All right, so listen, I'm just popping in here because I have a question for you, okay? So, are you tired of posting and posting and posting? Are you tired of showing up and showing up and showing up and people aren't purchasing from you? Are you tired of maybe getting one or two sales? Are you tired of wrapping all these gifts and having these open houses for only a handful of people to come? Or maybe you're experiencing that people are buying, but they're only buying one time. You're not retaining these people. And when you look back and you start thinking about all the time you invested, you're like, oh my gosh, my hourly rate is like way below minimum wage because I'm spending so much time in areas that are not converting into dollars. Okay. So if you want to start selling more next week, all right, go to howtoholidayselling.com. So it's howtoholidayselling.com. Use the coupon code NOW, N as in Nancy, O as in Olivia, and W as in wow. All right. And that's going to give you 10% off. Now, my team made it, so there's only going to be a few coupons, okay? So you got to be hurry up. And the first, I believe it's 25 people who get in, you're going to be entered into a drawing for a 4-day, 3-night vacation or a coaching package. We're going to start Monday. You can go at your own pace or you can join me live. I'm going to share with you the exact strategies, the exact scripts, the exact timeline, the exact how-to, the exact everything. I'm going to literally hand you a recipe and do with it what you want. Tweak it, try it out as is, and check out your results. I'm going to give you over 10 different strategies, okay? So you'll have a 14-day period where you can get all this in or choose lifetime access. Maybe you choose just to follow one of the strategies that I teach you and you have massive results. These are proven strategies that I have perfected over my 30 years. I'm not just teaching you anything that someone else said. No. These have all been proven. And again, I'm giving you the exact strategy. This year, I'm teaching you how to wrap. Yeah, how to wrap. All right. And not wrap as in, I think of Vanilla Ice, right? No, how to package, how to wrap, how to market, how to sell your items, whether you have a tangible product or it's digital, whether it's just a service. Okay. I'm going to teach you how you can wrap these, market these, package these, and sell these. It is going to right, buddy? It's going to blow your mind. So if you're ready to make the maximum use of your time starting on Monday, okay, to increase your sales, increase your relationships and your client retention, then this is for you. And I hope to see you over there. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to use that coupon code before it runs out. See you later, alligator.